Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the Aeroccino 3, the milk frother from Nespresso. Let's go ahead and open up this box and talk about it. The machine itself is sleek, premium, and it does a great job at frothing your milk. You also get the heating base that also controls the magnet that's in the bottom of the Aeroccino 3. And then we also have the instruction booklet. Now, what I love about the Nespresso Aeroccino 3 is just how simple it is to use. You hit the button quickly to make hot milk, and then you hold it for about 2 seconds if you want it to create cold foam milk. I love how there's only one button and that controls everything inside this milk frother. It makes up to 8 ounces of hot milk, and then it'll make up to 4 ounces of cold foam. At the bottom of the Aeroccino 3, you have the magnetic whisk. This is what's going to twirl the milk around to give it that frothy, foamy look, and that just magnetically attaches to the bottom of the Aeroccino 3. It's so fun to just drop this in and let it magnetically attach. And because there's only 2 pieces to this, you have the actual frother and then the whisk, this thing is really easy to clean. It has a non-stick surface on the inside, meaning you won't have a bunch of milk residues sticking to the milk frother, especially if you clean this right after using it each time. You also have the lid to the milk frother right here that suctions to the top of the Aeroccino 3. It only takes about approximately 70 to 80 seconds to make cold foam with this milk frother, and it takes just 60 seconds to make hot milk with this. So if you started at the same time as your Nespresso machine, if you have one, then they're gonna be finished at around the same time, and you'll have hot milk and hot coffee together. This really is an elegant and premium milk frother, and it's going to make either cold foam for your iced lattes, or it's gonna make that hot milk for your cappuccinos and your lattes in the morning. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. Okay, now it's time to start frothing our milk inside of our Aeroccino 3. First thing we have to do is just pour a little bit of oat milk in here. I'm gonna fill it up about maybe 3/4 to the minimum line, and it looks like that. And when I used this for the first time, I was surprised how well it froths oat milk. Now I'm making a hot latte, so I want to just barely hit this button one time, and that's gonna trigger the hot milk option. It's going to start swirling the milk with that magnetic whisk, and in just 60 seconds, we will have nice hot milk with a little bit of foam on top. Okay, our milk just got done frothing inside of the Aeroccino 3, and that's what it looks like. You can see it has a pretty good amount of foam on top, and it's just hot enough to add to our coffee. So let's go ahead and add it in. Now we have our coffee. I like to add just a little bit of honey on top, and that is a good latte. If you're looking for a high quality premium milk frother that's going to froth both your hot milk and give you some cold foam for your iced lattes, then I recommend checking out the Nespresso Aeroccino 3. It's a high quality milk frother that will heat up milk in less than 60 seconds and make cold foam in less than 80 seconds. And if you're like me and you appreciate some good foam on your coffee, then I recommend checking out the Nespresso Aeroccino 3.